This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We're cracking 3 boxes of 2014 Panini Elite. This is an eBay break. We got the first 3 boxes out of a fresh case, guys. So we got 3 sealed boxes. Good luck, everybody. This is the first Elite break for us this year, 2014. So box. Okay, guys, I'm going to run through the base fairly quickly. If there's anything you guys need me to stop on or anything like that, just please holler. Wes Welker base. Let's see, base, Doug Martin, Wes Welker. Let's see, I'm not too sure what this. Clarity, actually in a protective thing too. It's like a little plaque. Clarity, Steven Jackson. Steven Jackson, Clarity. For the Falcons. It's actually in a little protective case and everything. Honestly, not too sure if that's new this year or not. I don't really remember last year. All base in that pack. I can never remember from year to year. They always seem to change things so much. Okay, your first hit, guys. We got a Ben Watson Threads jersey card. Throwback. Number 131 out of 199. Threads jersey card, Benjamin Watson, throwback. Rest are base. 1 per box, okay. Thanks for looking that up, Dan. And we got another hit. We got a Dante Moncrief jersey. Rookie. Colts. That is number 136 out of 299. Moncrief jersey. And a Justin Gilbert turn of the century rookie, number 60 out of 199. Base. Andrew Luck, I'm sorry, Peyton Manning. Wow, I look just. Oh, that's why. Andrew Luck's on the back. Insert card. Face-to-face insert. Base. Passing the torch insert. Base, guys. Legends insert. Base. base, dummy card, insert, base. Dummy, insert. We got a number, Jimmy Garoppolo, rookie. 782 out of 99. Tough to read up there with the glare. Rookie, Garoppolo. Dummy card, insert. Mike Evans, rookie, numbered 136 out of 499. Evans, rookie. Richard Sherman, numbered 23 out of 199. Turn of the century. And base. And we got an auto, Chris Smith. Chris Smith for the Jags. 28 out of 199. There's an auto hit. Chris Smith, Jaguars. Face-to-face insert, base. Insert and base. Here we go. On-card auto, Allen Robinson. The Jaguars. That's on card too. Rookie auto. Allen Robinson. Back-to-back Jags. Hey Dave, how you doing? Dummy card. We got a numbered Kyle Van Noy, rookie, 227 out of 799. Base. Yeah, Dan, actually, that card's very nice looking. I like those on-card autos they put in this product. They're very sharp looking. Insert base. We got a Stephon Tuitt for the Steelers, rookie, number 2 out of 91. 2 out of 91, rookie. Tuitt. A Profiles insert. That's a cool looking card. Like a see-through. Base. Last pack, guys. Alright. Second box. Couple Jaguar hits in that box. Couple jersey cards. Empty box, guys. Here we go. Second box. Keep the Jags coming, I know. C.J. Mosley for the Ravens. It's a rookie, 25 out of 199, green. Pack only had 4 cards in it. Here we go. Brandon Coleman for the Saints. Turn of the century, rookie auto. That is numbered 62 out of 99. Brandon Coleman. Saints. Saints on the board. Insert base and base. No Clowney sighting yet. Cam Newton insert base base. Alright, here comes another hit, guys. Keenan Allen, Gridiron Kings jersey. That is numbered 98 out of 99. That's a Keenan Allen jersey. I like him. He's a good player. And E.J. Manuel, numbered as well. E.J. Manuel. See if I can get this on there. Boy, is that a tough card to see. It's a see-through card. But it's numbered 71 out of 97. It's a cool-looking card. And base. Alright, here we go. Aaron Murray. On card. Rookie autograph. Nice looking card. Very nice looking card. Sharp card. Really like these on cards. Autos. Very sharp looking. Aaron Murray. Chiefs on the board. All base. Insert base. Insert and base. Tell you what, these packs are really giving me a fit. We got a Justin Gilbert for the Browns. That's a rookie aspirations, number 40 out of 79. Base. This pack has your Clarity card in it. See who it is. Base, 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 and Dwayne Bowe. Dwayne Bowe Clarity. They're neat cards. They actually are. They're pretty neat. Thick. They got them protected and everything in a team bag and the whole 9 yards. Pretty neat. Got another hit in this pack, guys. Another hit in this pack. See if I can save that here. Insert, insert, base, base, base. Your hit. It's an Aaron Murray. Woo, nice patch. Prime. Nice patch. Nice 3-color patch. I like that. That's number 33 /99. Aaron Murray hot box. The Chiefs. Nice patch. Passing the torch, insert, and base. Yeah, that's a nice patch. I love nice looking patches. As we all do. That's a nice patch. Doug Martin, insert, base. Dummy card. Man, these cards are tough. They're sticking bad. Calvin Pryor, rookie, 386 /499. Jets. Base. Insert, base. Insert and base. Pretty sure we got all the hits out of this box, guys. Insert and base. Insert and base. Last pack. We got a rookie, Kyle Van Noy. That's numbered 9 /799. The Lions. All right, that was your last pack. Last box, guys. Good luck. If anybody's interested after this, I can do a 3-box division break. Another 3 boxers. 3 boxes. I get you 4 teams. Random division, guys. It's a random. You can have some more fun. Empty box, guys. Alright, let's get to it. Insert in base. Insert and base. I like this product a lot, though. I've always been a big fan of Elite. Veteran autos, passing the torches. Usually their rookie autos are nice. Dummy card, insert, and base. Base. And here we go. Davante Adams, Packers. On card. Rookie autograph. Packers. Nice hit for the Pack. Packers on the board. Insert base. Insert in base. Insert in base. Base, dummy card, insert, and base. The two-team inserts, actually what I'll do with them, because I wasn't really prepared if they were going to have a lot of those in these, I'll just split them up as evenly as possible. D'Anthony Thomas, rookie, numbered 729 out of 799. And a Troy Mason, rookie, 121 out of 199. Yeah, all the dual team and stuff like that, I'll try and just divvy them up as fairly as possible, because there's quite a few of them. Base insert. I'll make sure that pretty much everybody gets one, as long as you got a team on the card and everything like that. Okay, we got another hit in this pack, guys. We'll start first here with Marcus Colson for the Saints. Red status, 22 out of 25. 22 out of 25, Colson for the Saints. Base, 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 and your hit. It's Andy Dalton for the Bengals. Andy Dalton for the Bengals. Jersey, Gridiron Kings, 102 out of 199. Bengals. Yeah, that Colson's nice and low numbered. Got a Jay Cutler, numbered 83 out of 94. Aspirations. Jay Cutler. That's your base. Insert in base. Still should have a couple hits left, guys. Base, insert in base. Base, dummy card. We got a Davante Adams rookie. That is 684 out of 999. Base. Getting down to the last few packs here. Should have a couple hits left. base, and insert in base. Alright, this pack has your clarity hit. Base, 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 and Mr. Josh Gordon. Josh Gordon. Might be worth something next year. No, I like Josh. He's got a lot of talent. I like these clarity cards, though. Pretty neat. Man, it's packed. Tricky. Alright. Base, base, dummy card. We got a rookie of Deion Buchanan. This is number 351 out of 499. Yep, Mr. Suspended. You got that right. Alright guys, we got 2 packs left, and I'm thinking they should be 2 pretty good packs. Darqueze Dennard for the Bengals. Rookie auto, 58 out of 99. The Bengals. Insert in base, and here we go. Our last pack. Feels nice and thick. Oh yeah, we got a hit in here. We got a hit. Alright, we got an insert, guys. Base, 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 and it'll be the back of the card, but here we go. It's a Moncrief for the Colts. Dante. Nice patch. Definitely a nice patch. Stitching on the bottom, number 3 out of 99. I really do like these patches. They're nice. 3 out of 99. I like the way these cards are. Very nice design. Dante Moncrief. I'm going to do a quick hit recap, guys. Stick around if you're interested in a division break. I got some more boxes. Quick hit recap. Dante Moncrief just pulled. Darqueze Dennard. That is numbered 58 out of 99. Gridiron Kings jersey. Andy Dalton, 102 out of 99. Devontae Adams on card, rookie auto. We got an Aaron Murray, 3-color patch, 33 out of 99. Aaron Murray on card, rookie auto. Keenan Allen, jersey, 98 out of 99. Brandon Coleman for the Saints, rookie auto, 62 out of 99. Allen Robinson on card, rookie auto. Chris Smith for the Jags, number 28 out of 199. Rookie auto. Dante Moncrief, jersey, 136 out of 299, rookie. And a Ben Watson, that's a jersey. Throwback, 131 out of 199. Your clarity cards. Steven Jackson, Dwayne Bowe, and Josh Gordon. Alright guys, stick around for a few minutes, see if we can't refill a division break, guys. We'll do it again. Have some more fun. Thanks for breaking Cardboard Hobby.